What's up guys, Demboyz here with another episode of Authentic. Today we're going to make a childhood favorite dish of mine I grew up on called spicy papaya salad, also known as Thum Mark Hoong. Now there are various versions of this in each culture. This is a Thai dish that Lao people adopted and put a twist on. The Thai version tends to be more mellow and citrusy, now the Lao version is going to be more spicy and funky. Why I say funky, you're going to find out later. So first off, you're going to want to peel the outer skin to get the pulp out of the papaya. Just take a vegetable peeler of any kind and peel the skin off. Try to get all of it removed. Now the next step is shredding the papaya. This technique in Lao is called, no joke, phak bakung. What you're initially doing is whacking the papaya vertically, deep and hard, pause, and cutting it horizontally to retrieve individual strands. This is the most traditional way to do it, but you can also use the peeler you used earlier to extract the papaya strands, but you will still need to chop it vertically. Make sure the cut is deep, as if it's not, the papaya will come out as one strand with little cuts in it, so make sure you cut deep to get the individual papaya strands. This is what you will end up with. We like to add shredded carrot into the mixer just for some color, but this is what you will need to start. We got the papaya mixture, tomato, lime or lemon, and red Thai chilies. Now this is essential in making this dish. This is called kok and sak, which is basically a mortar and pestle. Thum basically means mash or press, so you're basically mashing the flavors of Thum Mark Hoong together. So first destem the red chili peppers, throw them in there, crushing them to release the flavors and opening up the peppers. You will want to do the same thing with the cloves of garlic. Next, cut some lime or lemon into the kok. Also add some tomato slices, but don't cut all of it in yet. This is what it will look like. Now you're going to want to add the carrot and papaya mixture, but don't add all of it in yet. Now with the spoon and the sak, crush but rotate the whole mixture up from the bottom and turning itself over and spreading the juices. Now add some fish sauce, sugar, and this is where the funk comes from. This is Padaek. Padaek is basically a traditional Lao condiment made from pickled or fermented fish that has been cured. It is thicker than fish sauce, but often contains chunks of fish. Now be warned, this stuff is pungent, to put it lightly. You can make your own at home or buy some in an Asian market. I remember this smell as a kid when my mom used to make this. This is going to differentiate it from the Thai version. Keep the mashing and rotating motion going, spreading all the flavors around. To stop the jok from rotating, place a cloth under it. Now add to taste, adding sugar, tomato, Padaek or fish sauce as needed. And that's it. Quick and simple Lao dish that is a staple of any Lao meal and goes great with any type of protein. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, and hit that bell notification to keep updated. Thanks for watching guys, we out.